How to switch between blocks on Tumblr. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can switch between blocks on Tumblr. So without further delay, let's get started. So on your browser, log in into tumblr.com. Once you're logged in into your Tumblr account, now if you're on the dashboard, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. Click on this account option, scroll down a bit, and here you will see the list of the blocks on your account. Now to change the block, you have to click on the block name that you want to switch to. And that will open that block's dashboard. If you have made any post under that block, that will appear right here. Now you are viewing and managing the selected block from the section on your left hand side. So here you cannot switch blocks the same way that you switch account on the some other platform. On Tumblr, you are always logged into one account but can access or manage multiple blocks from that same account. So in this way, you could directly or simply change between the blocks on Tumblr account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.